Hey babes, welcome to my channel. My name is RaeGang If you're returning, hey boo. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Today, I am going to give y'all 3 main tools to get you monetized and also help you gain a community here on YouTube. Coming from someone who has been using this system for a long time, I've had a few videos go viral and I've also had some that has not done well at all. It is a process, trial and error, but I'm going to give you some hidden gems that I have found myself along the way, and let's just get right into it. The 3 main goals that we're going to focus on today is going to be monetization requirements, finding your niche / purpose, and lastly, strategizing a game plan, knowing your end goal, and helping you find a routine for your content. So firstly, YouTube has 2 main programs that you can apply for as far as monetization. The first one is going to be YouTube Partnership. And then the second one is just going to be, it's still going to be YouTube Partnership, but you'll be able to include watch ads on your videos and short feed ads on your shorts that you post on YouTube as well. In order to have access to the YouTube Partnership, you have to have at least 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours, and or 3 million short views. Okay, so if you want to get to your second goal, which is having the watch ads on your videos, or the short feed ads on your shorts, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and or 10 million short views. I'd like to say, if you are an upcoming content creator, YouTuber, I would suggest that you go ahead and download YouTube Studio if you do not have it. You can download it on your apps for your phone, MacBook, iPad, or if you just use youtube.com, there is an option for you to access the YouTube Creator Studio. In that studio, that's going to help you keep up with all your channel analytics. It's going to help you keep up with how many subscribers you gain, how many watch hours you have, your overview, who's looking at your channel, who's searching for the topics on your channel, all of that. I highly recommend that you go ahead and download YouTube Studio because that is going to help you keep your channel in check. Consistency goes with watch hours so closely. I feel like a lot of people don't understand watch hours, and myself, I didn't understand watch hours either. Think that, hey, I have a video and I have 10K views on this video, so I should have 10K watch hours. No, it does not work that way. Watch hours also do count. Hey, has this person only watched 5 minutes of this video, or has this person watched the whole entity of this video? And your watch hours don't count. They deplete after a year. So I have a video. I did a Skims haul 2 years ago, and I think I have about 13 to 15K views on that video. And so I kept looking at my watch hours. I'm like, why are my watch hours depleting? Like, I have so many views. I have this, I have that. But I didn't know until I did my own research. This is what they don't tell you. After a year marks off that video, the watch hours no longer count anymore. So once a year came, a span came, once that video was made, and a whole 365 days later, my watch hours no longer count for that video. So this is why they say be consistent and keep posting content, because you constantly have to put out content in order to gain and keep up with your watch hours. I'm going to go a little further into watch hours and how you can calculate them, because like I said, once 1 year has surpassed from a particular video, your watch hours no longer count currently for that video. Okay, so watch hours are calculated by adding up the total time spent watching your videos, including rewatches. So if I watch a video and then I feel like, you know what, I like this video, so I'm gonna rewatch it again, those count for watch hours as well. So let's just say you're thinking, oh, once one person watch this video, I won't get any more accounts for it because they already watched it. No, you will get more watch hours for that. 1 watch hour is equal to 60 minutes of watch time. Okay. And then a view counts if a video is watched for at least 30 seconds. That's why I say keeping people engaged in your video, keeping people wanting to watch, because the longer they watch, the longer hours you get. YouTube basically wants to know, hey, are people engaging in you? Because I don't want to pay you if you only had 21 views. You're not getting me enough traction. And YouTube is very smart, you all. YouTube is going to think it's fishy if all of a sudden you have all of these subscribers but no watch hours. They're gonna think that you're doing sub for sub. Don't do sub for sub, video for video, because YouTube is very smart. They're gonna catch on to it. We've seen it happen so many times. Going into our second topic, it's going to be finding your niche or your purpose. So what niche means is, what do you want your channel to be known for? What do you want to be known for as a content creator? Why do you want to be a content creator? Are you looking for fame? Are you looking for just money? Or do you truly have a passion in creating content? So finding your niche, some creators come on here, they know what they want to do. They know what they want to be known for. And then we do have some people who come and they start off doing one form of content and they find out, hey, I actually like doing this a little bit better. Like, I want to incorporate originally what I had, but I kind of like this a little bit better. So again, that's why I say it's trial and error to help you find out what's going to work for you. I also like to tell people, go to your favorite content creators / YouTubers and get inspired by their work. Inspired. Don't copy. Do not copy them word for word, but get inspired. Because essentially that's what our influencers do. They influence us, they help us, they inspire us. And of course we can get inspiration for that, but please be yourself. Sometimes I see a lot of people doing content where I feel like, okay, you're forcing yourself to be like somebody else, because that's going to get you the views and that's going to get you popping, but that's not going to make me stay, because I'm going to feel like, you're just doing this to get views. You don't really you're not passionate about this. You don't actually want to build a community. You kind of just want to do this for the aesthetic and for the trends. No. So I feel like you would get further on YouTube by being yourself. And I think that's why YouTube is one of the hardest forms of content for people to sustain, because you have to be individual. You have to be creative, especially if you're going to do long form content, because YouTube is essentially long form content versus TikTok. You can put out a 30-second video and get 3 million views and not even have to think about it. But on YouTube, you have to keep your viewers engaged. It's not easy. And a lot of people get on here and they think, oh, I'm just going to pick up my camera, until you realize what actually goes on background. Because, babe, now you're a vlogger. You can't just go to Walmart or Target and pick up your groceries and go home and put them up. No, you got to pull out that camera. You got to set it up. You got to take that milk out of that carton real cute, set it up for your viewers. Is not easy. So I feel like when it comes to finding your niche and your purpose and why do you want to be a content creator, ask yourself, hey, do I want to create this long form content, or do I want to stay more on short form as doing shorts or doing Instagram reels or TikToks, because that makes a difference in your content as well. And with our last topic, it's going to be strategizing a game plan, end goal, and of course, setting up a routine. I feel like if you're going to do long-term content, especially if you have a 9-to-5 outside job, like I have a 9-to-5 outside job for now as well. So I like to do batch content. On weekends or on a day off that I have off, I'm going to go ahead and create all of this batch content so I can have work to put out during the week, so I won't get so burnt out. I think that's a good game plan, especially if you have a 9-to-5, because you can get burnt out trying to go to work and then come home and work on another job as well, because this is a job in itself, y'all. I promise you, it's a demanding job. And make sure you're engaging with your community. Engage with your subscribers. When they comment, like the comment back. Get to know your subscribers, because that's going to make people feel welcome. And that's going to make people want to come back and watch your videos. I love when I comment on my favorite YouTubers and favorite content creator stuff, and they give me a heart or a like or a comment back, because that lets me know, hey, as a viewer, I'm seen. So that's going to make me feel like, you know what, I am a part of your community. I'm going to keep coming back to your channel. I'm going to keep watching you. I'm going to keep supporting you because you made me feel like I'm a part of this community. Like, you should go in a mindset and treat YouTube as your main income. Because if you treat this as your job and something that you take seriously, then you will be serious about it. If you treat YouTube as just a hobby, and of course, it can be just a hobby for some people, okay? But for me, this is something that I want to do full time for the rest of my life because I have a passion for making content. So I have a mindset of, I treat this as my real job. So if I'm not putting out my work, I'm not putting out my content, and I'm not following up with my community is suffering, right? And I'm not making a livelihood for myself or my family because I've neglected my job. So just like if I neglected my 9-to-5 job, HR is going to come knocking at my door. Hey girl, pack up them boxes. So I have to put myself in the mindset that YouTube is my main stream of income, and this is something that I'm serious about. This is my job. I don't play about my job, okay? Another good website to keep up with your content and your growth is vidIQ. I rely heavily on vidIQ just like I do YouTube Studio. They go hand in hand. vidIQ is partnered with YouTube to help creators push out their content and get more in the algorithm. vidIQ will give you a scorecard on your video in YouTube Studio while you're uploading. It'll help you say, hey, we think that your title is too long. Somebody's not going to click on that. It'll help you with your bio and putting keywords in your bio. It'll also help you create tags to put on your YouTube video. Because before I downloaded vidIQ a few years ago, I didn't even know you could put tags on your YouTube video to help push it out in the algorithm even more. It'll help you put out whether, hey, is this video made for kids? Is this safe for kids? Or is this only for 18 up? vidIQ is so vital. You can even do a channel audit. It'll audit your channel to say, hey, your views were down this week, or your subscribers were down this week, your watch hours, when I say vidIQ will give you everything you need, I highly suggest. They do have a free plan, and as well as I think they have a yearly and a month-to-month plan that you can pay for to help you boost as well. But I've been using a free plan for years, and it's helped me out. It's helped me keep up with my views. Like I think the last time I looked, which was in January of 2025, I had a total of 45,000 views. And of course, that doesn't mean I have 45,000 watch hours, but collectively, since I started my YouTube in 2021, I have gained 45,000 views, right? But YouTube Studio would not tell me that because they only go by year. So that's why I'm like, vidIQ is vital for you to be able to keep up with your analytics, especially yearly, and since you've had your YouTube, since the first time you created your first video up into current. I really just want y'all to have fun when creating content. Remember, as creators, we can get burnt out as well. It's okay to take a break sometimes. Take you a little 3-day break or a week break. Don't be like me and take months off, because that's not good. But I'm working on it. We're working on consistency, because consistency is key, okay? Everything is not content. I don't want y'all to feel like every single thing you do is content, because you're going to get burnt out, baby doll. You're going to get burnt out, and you're not going to want to do it anymore. So make sure you pace yourself. Like I said, creating batch content goes back into pacing yourself, because now you have content to create, but you don't have to every day feel like, oh, I need to pick up this camera, I need to film. You have your batch content to help you out. Now you got something for a whole week or a whole month worth of content. Make sure you're praying over yourself and praying over your craft with God. You can do all things, and He hears your prayers, and He gave you these dreams and these visions for a reason. You have to execute. You have to do your work. You have to step out on that faith of a mustard seed, because He's going to give you the platform. He gave us a platform. We just got to know the tools, and we got to keep up with it. And we have to show Him, hey, I'm serious about this. And when we show God that we're serious about something, He's going to show us that He's serious about us and our dreams, and it's going to take off. it's going to take off when you least expect it. So please be consistent, have fun, know your goals, pray over your craft, and keep going. If y'all have any questions or if y'all want anything specifically that y'all want me to make a video on, please feel free to comment. Follow me on Instagram. You can send me a DM. I'm open to asking questions, or if y'all need a little FaceTime or something, I will help you get there, okay? Because we in this together. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Bye, babes.